Sometimes you want to pause your Facebook page without deleting it. Here's how to unpublish your page and keep everything safe behind the scenes. First of all, go ahead and open your Facebook application on your mobile device. Log into your account. Then tap on the three lines in the top right corner of your screen. Scroll down. Go ahead and open your settings and privacy. Then tap on settings. Then scroll down and select your information. Go ahead and tap on switch now option. Once you're in the home page, tap on the three lines in the top right corner of your screen. Now scroll down and then tap on settings and privacy and go to settings. From this page, again scroll all the way down and tap on access and control under your information section. Here you'll get two different options of deactivate page and delete page. Go ahead and select deactivate. Then tap on confirm, which is highlighted in blue color, and you'll be done. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.